I just like the patient contact, the friendship you develop, and just seeing regular patients come in and out, go home feeling 100% better, and just the camaraderie that we have here. We're a freestanding unit, which means we admit patients, we operate on them, and we send the patients home. Now, it's a good place because you've got a good choice of it, and it was good during training times too, because you've got a bit of everything, from children right through to the ages, and not all hospitals have that view.
Barwon Health provides fantastic opportunities for you to further your career. I started at the rehabilitation area as a senior clinician in speech pathology. That was only about 5 years ago. And Barwon Health's given me a great opportunity to just do what I love, and has given me the chance to progress and develop without any sort of barriers, really, without any major barriers.
Central Wing is a neurological rehabilitation ward, as well as trauma rehabilitation and geriatric evaluation and management. There are lots of opportunities within Barwon Health to move up through the ranks and gain experience. Because the organisation is so large, there is varying amounts of experience that you can gain.
People associate ultrasound pregnancy, but it's used actually for a whole range of things, including arteries, veins, lots of musculoskeletal things. There's a lot of organs that are around, like the salivary glands and the thyroid gland, a lot of other organs that we look at.
We provide interventional radiology services and fluoroscopy services and screening in theatre and various other things, so a very sort of broad range of imaging services.
I'm responsible for the provision of medical imaging services at Barwon Health. We have a pool of up to 50 radiographers working here. We're a multi-site campus covering 4 sites at Barwon Health. It's Geelong Hospital, Geelong Private Hospital. We have an X-ray facility at Torquay and an X-ray facility at the McKellar Centre.
Yeah, also, we've got a pantomime group here, which is very good. It's made up of the doctors and the nurses and auxiliary staff and medical. We put a Christmas show on every year.
Hi, my name's Julie and I've worked at Barwon Health for 8.5 years. I work here on reception at the Andrew Love Cancer Centre, and essentially my role is to welcome patients walking through the front door and trying to make that journey for them as pleasant as we possibly can, and I think we achieve this.
We have new trauma bays, resuscitation areas. We'll have very shortly a new fast tracking area, so people come to a single point of triage and then get redirected onto where their needs can most appropriately be met. I think it has a, I guess, a family sort of feel to it. People are pretty familiar with each other, and I think it is a pretty friendly workplace to work in. It's a great place as far as geographically to work in, because we've got access to one of the best sort of surf coasts in Australia. So from a lifestyle point of view, it's quite attractive. It's only 20 minutes drive to some of the best coastal areas in Victoria, and so that's all very appealing. You don't actually have to live in Geelong. It's very accessible from a lot of coastal and rural type towns.
My name's Rosie Bell. I'm a midwife within the hospital. I work in all areas of midwifery across the board, starting from clinic right through a lot of time in the birthing suite, caring for women during labour. Also on the postnatal ward, so when the women have had their babies, they'll come up to the postnatal ward where we'll give them a bit of education. Strongly recommend it to anyone if they're a painter, if they're a brain surgeon, if they're a midwife like myself. Come and join us. It's a great place to be. You'll have a lot of fun.
My name's Fiona Brennan. I'm one of the senior clinician physiotherapists here at McKellar Centre. My job involves 2 components. One component is site management of the physiotherapy department here at McKellar Centre in conjunction with the chief physio, and the other component is working as part of the trauma rehab team, which is an interdisciplinary team comprising staff such as nursing, medical, occupational therapy, physiotherapy, psychology, neuropsychology, recreation therapy and social work, and I hope I haven't forgotten anyone. And we work as part of a team treating clients who present with a variety of injuries.
We're in the Newcomb Community Health Centre today. As well as dental services, we have community health services of physiotherapists, podiatrists. We have renal dialysis, mental health services, care and respite. We set a high standard and we try to keep it that way, and I think that's something that attracts people to our service.
I'm Annie. I'm one of the medical registrar in Geelong Hospital, and I've been here for 4 years, and I'm currently doing a rotation through GMA as well as renal. I went through Melbourne University, and as a student I've actually been rotating out to Geelong Hospital as well as a clinical placement. And while spending a lot of time in here studying, I actually enjoyed this whole time so much that I decided that I want to come back here as an intern. It's definitely a very fun place. You know, in many hospitals I've talked to a lot of seniors before I came here. This is definitely one of the very sort of friendly environment. I think a lot of people come here because it's by the beach. Surfers definitely come here and enjoy the beach.
Hi, I'm Trish and I'm the unit manager here at Andrew Love. At the moment we're in the day ward. We've got 18 chairs here and usually it's generally fairly full. We also have a very large haematology area. We do stem cell transplants, autology and collections and some palliative care as well. We're probably one of the bigger day centres and probably the biggest outside metropolitan Melbourne. The Andrew Love is part of Barwon Health, Geelong Hospital, and we're the day oncology centre. We're part of cancer services. We also have an inpatient ward, which is birds in wing 6 for induction chemos, longer chemos, but mainly we're involved in cancer care, palliative care and radiotherapy, which is all incorporated in the centre. I've been here in Ocean Grove, moved down the coast, did the sea change thing, and it's lovely. Geelong's a great place to work, mainly because of that actually. You've got you've got Melbourne fairly close, you've got the surf coast, you've got the beach, and then you come to work and get a good view and nice people, so yeah, it's a very good place.